Alright, so you're probably here because you wanted to know the actual way to cure hiccups. Well, all you gotta do is just get hiccups and then just hold your breath. It actually works. Right now I don't have hiccups, so I can't show you, but trust me, it actually works. Watch. Next time when you have the hiccups, hold your breath and wait like 10 seconds. Take a deep breath like that was over 10 seconds. And it should be gone. Huh? No, I wanted to show anyone how to like cure hiccups.
Are you recording for YouTube?
Yeah. Alright. Oh, my fat head is getting in the way. So I never get any comments on my videos, and I want to know what you think. So write in the comments if it actually works. Goodbye.